Yeah! Welcome back, you dogs. On today's episode, we're back at Axehead for another rebuild. We've just had like a week of probably like 50 mil of rain. Everything is sloppy. I'm stupidly digging in cleats. So yeah, the day's planning out to be real good. In all seriousness though, I think we're going to dig a drainage channel there. We need to rebuild the landing of the double after. I have a couple ideas of putting rocks up the top in so the berms just don't go to sog. And then I think if we have time, we'll try to build that main bottom left-hander, which we've been lining up for a while. So a couple of boys are coming a bit later, but we'll have to see how much we can get done. So yeah, get the dogs out. Actually looks like something from the moon. Super steep, so nice. That's the end of the video. It's been pretty rainy, so yeah, not much is happening, but yeah, thanks for watching, you dogs. Ow!